Just want to keep your palm flat out. You took two. There's another one. Come on. Lovely. Sharp beak.